Hey, what's up, trader? So this is planned for the dollar index, similar as the euro. So there's no news on the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. There is a news in the New York session, right? So basically, the price reversed without taking these highs, which I've been expecting, and I journal it. So watch my journal video. There you will see something really interesting phenomena, which is repeating, and you can take it for your advantage for the next time, right? So overall, I see a bearish move possible for the next week, right? And let's look to the monthly, right? So here's the monthly. We are kind of stuck inside. We are trading actually the inside bar, right, in the previous month. So we didn't take the high. Possibly we could go to the lows, right? So also, what is the level which is playing in here? We can see this monthly fair value gap, and you can see how always the price has been rejecting it, right? So now you can see how it was always rejected in here, right? Also, we must be careful because we have this inverted fair value gap, right? And there is we are trading in the middle of it, right? So it can take its place, it plays, right? So in here is a weekly, and on the weekly also I have many levels in here. So there is an inverted fair value gap be closing below another inverted fair value gap, right? And here is another one, and on the bottom is another one, right? So kind of a lot of levels around here, and I have marked out the previous this week's high and this week's low, right? Which next week is obviously going to be previous week's high, right? So yeah, many interesting levels in here. And again, I'm not drawing the arrows where the price could go because it's really affecting my mind, right? So I have the levels and I have opened my mind for the trading. Here we can see on the daily actually, and I have this range highlighted, this purple range. So you can see from this low to this high, right? So what's happened in here, actually that was the two previous weeks low, right? The range of the 2 weeks ago, and you can see that range has been taken in here, and this blue area above, that is that monthly fair value gap from where we are trading lower right now. Yeah, so I think we are going to this low on of this range, and currently we are trading in the middle of it, right? So of this range, right? So what I would like to see, I don't say that it's going to happen, you know, this previous this weekly forex forecast is just a some kind of a, you know, you cannot take it like a definitive signal, right? Because the price can open completely differently, right? So anyway, what I like to see in here, I see this inverted fair value gap, this one, right, and this Thursday high above it, right? So if the price basically comes into this zone where we have this inverted fair value gap, and the Thursday high, and price come in there, and we get the accumulation manipulation distribution pattern in here, then I see a potential continuation down into these lows, right? So is it going to be a complete reversal of the dollar index where we will see the price going to some new lows? We don't know yet, and now I'm going back to this weekly time frame because I want to show you this in here, right? So let me, yeah, okay, so now I can zoom it, right? So let me show you this which I have highlighted in here. So this is a July last year, right? And you can see we have this swing high, swing low, again swing high, and then this is what happened in the July, the first 2 weeks price has dropped significantly, take out these lows, and then look what happened. 1, 2, 3, maybe 10 weeks upside, right? And now look how the similar pattern looks here, right? We have swing high, swing low, swing high. Now the price can drop lower, right? As it happens in here in this red box, and then we could see a continuation up, right? So not doing so any definitive analysis anymore with the direction, right? So what I do, I keep my levels on the charts, I keep them updated, and here we have what we have on the 4 hours, right? So I like this high with this fair value gap, right, for the continuation down. But also I have my mind open, as said, we have this Friday's low, which is trading right above this inverted fair value gap, right? So the midpoint of it, this line, right, obviously would be a perfect level, and there is a possible to trade counter trend also, right? Because as a day trader, I need to be open into it, right? So that's for the dollar index, and yeah, as said, I'm slightly overall bearish, but opened my mind for any possibilities, right? All right. So have a great weekend. Bye bye.